Hello, hi, my name is Ankit. I'm part of Team Hardcore Hobbies from past 2 months. This class has benefited me for the transformation of myself as a physical body, as a mental stature. This class is not about all physical aspects. You also get a bunch of knowledge which you can take home and which is for you with forever and forever.
Hi, my name is Parth. I'm actually a fitness model and I've done a couple of ads. I've done a couple of shows. I came over here first time, it was like, I saw the gym, it was fun. When I came, this place is right for the person if he wants to learn self-defense. And there's TRX suspension, there's Kappa Zumba, MMA, Tabata and all. There are many things. Any guys who stays in Mirar Road, Borivali, anywhere, this is the perfect place for me to dance for them.
Hi, my name is Sunny Singh and actually I'm a fresher over here, just the second day, and to be honest, it's amazing. I mean, this is something that everyone should do because it's not only good for self-defense, but if in case you're in a situation wherein you're required to show some self-defense or maybe some attack as well, so this is something that is must, and especially for girls, because in our day-to-day life, it's very important for girls to have that self-defense, even a bit attacking. I recommend this for you, it's amazing.
Monica. I'm into my own business. I have my own IT business. As you know that gym, once your body gets constant, then you stop losing weight and everything. Also at the same time, when we talk about girls, it also gives us session with regards to your daily protection. How can we, if there is a fight scenario or any scenario, it also helps us at least prepare for that. That is a very good thing. So all the girls, whoever are a fitness freak or not a fitness freak, to at least come and look forward to exercises like mixed martial arts, the karate, the tabata. They help you not only in your internal strength, grow your internal strength, but also to help you protect against the world. So I will just give it 5 stars.
Hi, my name is Ati and I'm certified personal trainer from American Council on Exercise and American College of Sports Medicine. I'm in this industry for the past 19 years and today I rank Black Belt 4th degree in Japan Karate Federation. I'm also brand ambassadors to International Fit Factor UK, Body Power, as well as I'm brand ambassador for a couple of other body expos and fitness events. I'm also honorary faculty with Roshan Taneja Acting Academy. It's a prestigious acting academy. So I teach actors and I teach models about body transformation. I have come up with my own hardcore aerobic art form, which is combination and fusion of multiple art forms. I have created a sequence from Monday, Saturday that I call Capo Zumba, which is Capoeira from the Brazil and Zumba from the Colombia. It's a fusion of two art. You get Capo Zumba, in which it's a martial art dance. That is what I have come up with, and that is very interesting for self-defense and very good for the fitness. The next thing what we do on Tuesday is MMA, mixed martial arts. That is something which you all are aware of. That is a combination of all type of martial art. On Wednesday we do precision functional training, which means keeping the body functional and keeping it safe. Precision according to the biomechanics, so that you don't do anything wrong and you don't land up with the wrong posture or with the wrong frame of your muscle. Now the next thing which I do on Thursday is called CrossFit. Now as you are aware of the American CrossFit, which is used by military force and used by all power forces, commandos, police and Navy SEALs, everyone is doing CrossFit. That is a part of my classroom of hardcore aerobic on Thursdays. On Fridays we do TRX suspension training, that is suspending the self and doing various exercises. On Saturday we do a new art form called Zoo Core Flex Tabata. Now Zoo is mimicking animals, mimicking their body movements and getting physical fitness. So all the exercise WOD, that is workout of the day, I plan according, keeping in mind that I need to concentrate on my clientele's core. Tabata is a new form of training which is from Japan, invented by a Japanese master called Izumi Tabata. Now that is a concept of interval training system. It's called HIIT. It is the worst and the most powerful 4 minutes of your life. I recommend you to come in for one trial session of my team Hardcore Aerobic and just look forward how you can get your body transformation with us. Thank you so much for listening.
हेलो, शहनाज बोल रही हूँ। अतीक की मम्मी हूँ। हम लोग ये जो हार्डकोर चलाते हैं, अपनी रेकी क्लास लेते हूँ। एनी एज ग्रुप, आई टेक माई रेकी क्लास रेकी 1, 2 and 3 एंड इसके साथ साथ हम एक नेचर केयर सेंटर चलाती हूँ मैं, जिसमें विदाउट मेडिसिन और आपके घरेलू किचन में जितनी भी चीज़ें आपको अवेलेबल हैं लेडीज़ को, वो अपने आप को हीलिंग कर सकते हैं विदाउट मेडिसिन। तो वो मुझे इस बात के लिए कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हाउ टू क्योर योरसेल्फ विदाउट मेडिसिन। यही मेरा मैसेज है, जो लोगों तक जाए और जो इंटरेस्टेड है वो हमें कॉन्टैक्ट करें। थैंक यू।